Havira Kottapalli. Well, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is addressing media on economic crisis. Let's have a look on it.
Will be given, and that has to be spent by March 31st, 2021. My question was that if somebody has spent only rupees 5,000, so will only 5,000 be taken as the advance and to be recovered in 10 equal installment, or the entire 10,000 to be recovered in 10 equal installment?
See, this is a prepaid card, and then it will work out in the details of the scheme that the prepaid card will have this credit limit of 10,000, 10,000 rupees. In case supposing if the amount is not spent, the entire amount should be spent by 31st of March. And if the amount is not spent, of course the details will be known that what exactly. I mean, the one option is that, the entire amount could lapse, because the whole condition is that the amount should lapse, amount should be spent before 31st of March. And then whatever is the amount that is spent, that will be recovered in 10 installments. Yes.
13.
The card will lapse on 31st March, and therefore whatever you have spent will have to be recovered from you. The residual amount will not be usable because the card expires on 31st March.
Ma'am, Tumsi Jaipur from CNBC TV 18. Two questions. Firstly, you've given rough estimates about the demand that is likely to be created through these measures, especially on the consumer side. What are the bases of these estimates? And secondly, as you said, you would request private sector also to replicate the same measures. Are you in touch with private sector? Have you already spoken to industries in private sector to replicate? What is their view?
As the Finance Minister and the MOS Finance were mentioning in their statement, that we have made these estimates on a very conservative manner. For example, on the LTC, we have assumed that only 1/4 of the employees would actually be claiming the LTC from the central government employees. It could be higher. If it is higher, we'll be very happy to spend more from the government, because this actually leads to 3 times more spend from their own pocket. So it helps the economy. So it will be a good thing. That's why she mentioned and emphasized again and again that it's on a conservative basis. On the state side, for all the things, she also pointed out to all of you was that the expectation is that only 50% of the states would actually replicate that. And we have also accounted for the fact that some of the states don't allow LTC beyond their state. So the amount that they would be giving to their employees would be lower than the slabs that the central government is fixing for the 3 categories. So we have made estimates, but let me emphasize once again that our estimates are on conservative side. We are expecting the actual spend to be higher than that. Did you ask another question? I think
private sector should also replicate. Are you in touch with them? Have you already spoken to them? What is their response? Will they replicate this or not? Because the quantum of private sector employees is much larger than the government employees.
What we have also shown to you is that the private sector impact is also the same as the state government and the central government together. 28,000 there and 28,000 here. That is the estimate that we have taken. We have based it on a rough estimate. Formally, obviously, there could not have been a talk with the private sector, but we expect that because the amount that is being given in the private sector, the amount that they give may be much larger, so they would be happy if they are getting a tax concession to lap up this scheme and give it to their employees.
I think so many questions. Please just wait. Let me go to the next person. 50.
Hi ma'am, this is Aftab from Reuters. Will today's measures entail any additional borrowing in the current fiscal year?
I think when I made that, I met the press on the 30th September, I think I had mentioned to you that we have taken into account the announcements for the stimulus that we would be making. At this point of time, our estimate remains to be 12 lakh crores for the current financial year. It remains that.
6.
मैम मैं मोनिका जी मीडिया से
मैम मेरा सवाल है कि ये जो आपने स्टिमुलस पैकेज जो आज अनाउंस करा, ये उन सेक्टर्स जो कि बहुत ज्यादा प्रभावित हुए कोरोना पैंडेमिक से, उनको डायरेक्टली कैसे मदद करेगा?
अगर ये सब खर्च लोग उठाएंगे, उससे डिमांड बढ़ेगा, तो जिन वर्ग है जो अफेक्टेड है कोरोना वायरस का, उनका डिमांड बढ़ेगी, उनका रोजगार उससे प्रभावित होगा. So it will directly have a bearing once the demand increases because of the expenditure that is being incurred by these people, the government employees, the public sector undertaking. It will have an impact on those who desperately are looking for demand to keep their business going.
51.
Madam Minister, good afternoon. This is Arup Rai Chaudhary from Money Control. Regarding the
Not
LTC,
couple of questions, ask one question please.
regarding the LTC cash voucher scheme, at a time when the consumer behavior is to save rather than spend, how will you ensure that employees who are availing the LTC cash voucher scheme are spending? Because you have said an employee opting for this scheme will be required to. How will you ensure that required to happens? While the other scheme you have given a RuPay card, how will you ensure in this scheme?
I think the biggest factor encouraging people to avail of the scheme is the fact that in a 4-year block, already you're coming to an end of the 4-year block by the end of 2021. The LTC that you have not availed, even if you availed some, you didn't avail rest, are going to go away without you utilizing it at all. And travel till now is not clear as to when you can resume. So instead of waiting for that day when you can resume travel and benefit from the LTC scheme, this will tempt them to avail of this facility, because festivals are coming for irrespective of the religions, next 6 months. Whenever you want to use it, you can use it and spend the money towards buying some goods which can help your family. You can add.
You know, the scheme details will be known to you. The scheme is built in such a way that the incentive is given to you that you claim this benefit and spend money from you. So the scheme details will ensure that you will get the benefit only if by 31st of March 2021 you are able to spend the money. If you spend less of money, you will get less benefit, and then your LTC would lapse for that current year. In our view, whatever plans people have of spending, they will actually prepone their plans because this is the benefit that they are getting.
11.
Ma'am, this is Krishnanand from ETV Bharat. I have two simple questions. About the efficient measures announced by you. First, there is natural aversion to travel due to COVID. So in such a scenario, how effective this scheme would be? Second, on the consumer festival cash advance, you said these are the people who have surplus cash with them, because not only their job was protected, but they were also not able to spend due to lockdown measures. So why would they need rupees 10,000 advance with so many strings attached? So how effective these two schemes would be?
First of all, there are no strings attached to the 10,000. As always, till the 6th pay commission, every pay commission allowed for festival advance. You take the money in advance and spend it on items. There are no conditions of whatever strings attached to it. So that should be made clear that there is no string attached to the festival advance. Second, we are not asking people to travel. Yes, if they are averse to travel, but even the system doesn't facilitate travel now because of the pandemic. We are not expecting them to travel. We are actually telling them that money which would have gone for the tickets for your travel need not go for ticket. Now you take it as cash and spend it. Only make sure you're spending twice more, 3 times more, equivalent to your travel, the round ticket paisa that you would otherwise have got in the LTC. You spend that money. So we are not asking them to travel. We are instead asking that travel money to be spent on items which have 12% or more GST, if only you look at items which are under 12%, you will know that is the kind of things people normally buy during festivals. Your refrigerators, televisions, freezers, water coolers, food grinders, mixers, vacuum cleaners, storage water heaters, immersion heaters, hair dryers, electric smoothing of irons, and so on. So many different items which normally during festival times families do buy. Now this ticket price is given to you as cash, and we are saying please spend 3 times more and avail of it, and that money which would have otherwise gone a waste because you're not able to travel, you can spend on items. That's what is being announced.
Second last question, 37.
मैम मैं शैलेश हूँ ENI से। ये जो पैकेज आपने आज अनाउंस कर रहा है, ये आखिरी पैकेज है, अभी और कुछ बाकी है बजट से पहले जो अनाउंस करेंगे?
Okay.
इसको पहले देख लें, आज तक, आज शाम तक इसका थोड़ा अध्ययन करें।
20.
Ma'am, very good afternoon. Sapna here from CNBC. Ma'am, wanted to just understand that on the LTC part, ma'am, this is an additional spend on the part of the government because after the 7th Pay Commission, no such announcement had been made. That's one, ma'am.
No. LTC has been there before, is continuing to be now. It has nothing to do with the Pay Commission. The Pay Commission thing is only in the festival advance.
Okay.
Festival advance was there till 6th Pay Commission. The current Pay Commission, which is the 7th Pay Commission, does not include festival advance. LTC has been there, it is there even now.
Right, ma'am. Just
Thank you
on
very
that,
much,
ma'am,
ma'am.
is that an additional spend on the part of the government, ma'am?
No, these are part of your, any case, part of your, what do you call, scheme of things, so it is not an additional spend on LTC. But this 10,000 which is being given as festival advance is an advance being given which was no longer in the scheme of things, but now it's being given. But even that is not an additional burden because that's going to be recovered over 10 installments.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Friends, thank you very much.